Hello everyone, welcome to Delicacies and DIY. Let's make dessert that tastes exactly like churros but doesn't require piping bag or star nozzles or egg. This recipe requires simple ingredients that are easily available in the kitchen. Boil 1 cup of water. Reduce the flame and add 2 tablespoons butter. Stir until the butter melts. Now add 2 tablespoons sugar. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Add 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon baking powder. Mix gently until all the water is absorbed by the flour. Remember to keep the heat at the lowest. Bring everything together into a dough. You will get a moist, soft dough. Remove and let it cool. This dough is very easy to handle. Make balls of equal size. You can make other shapes if you like. Heat sufficient oil to deep fry these balls. Drop gently. Fry on low heat until these turn golden and crisp on all the sides. Once the dough balls turn golden like this, they are cooked perfectly. Remove them quickly. Fry all the churro balls similarly. Now take 3 tablespoons powdered sugar. Add 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Mix it well. Add the fried balls. Coat them gently with sugar cinnamon mixture and dust off the excess. These taste best with the chocolate sauce. Check out my 5-minute chocolate sauce recipe. It's super easy to make by yourself at home. Do try it and share your feedback in the comment section below.